Hello, I'm Jonasz Rewiński and this is Military Mind. Armed conflicts, defense and security, land, sea and air. We've got you covered. The Ukrainian Air Force is saying it shot down 38 out of 46 drones that Russia launched in an overnight attack, alongside with 2 missiles. No casualties were reported. Russia's Ministry of Defense, meanwhile, has said it shot down 144 Ukrainian drones, with 20 alone being eliminated over the Moscow region. The attack prompted a decision to halt flight operations at the capital's 3 airports, and there were reports of a fire at a Moscow apartment block. Russian officials said at least 2 individuals were killed and a large fire broke out in a high-rise residential building outside the capital. On the front line, meanwhile, Russian forces have recaptured positions in the Kursk region amid ongoing clashes. Moscow has also retaken previously lost positions west of Ulanok, southeast of Sudzha, and advanced up to 300 meters in the Malaya Loknia area. Russian sources are reporting Ukrainian attacks near Korynevo, targeting Snagost to the southwest and Krymyanoye to the east. Additionally, Russian forces have reportedly regained control over Komarovka and Vyshevka, solidifying their positions in the region. In the east, Ukrainian forces have recently retaken positions in the Siviersk sector, while Russian troops continued assaults near Ivano-Darivka and Spirne. The Ukrainian General Staff is reporting a Russian mechanized assault near Zvanivka. Further south, Russian forces have been pressing on with attacks northwest of Chasiv Yar towards Maisky, as well as near Klishchivka and Andriivka. Now, in the Toretsk area, Moscow's troops have advanced near Druzhba and Pivnichne, with reports of gains west of New York. Meanwhile, Russia's defense ministry is claiming the capture of Memrik, 20 kilometers east of Pokrovsk, and reporting inflicting losses on Ukrainian forces in nearby villages. Ukraine did not confirm Memrik's capture in its latest update. Now, as you well know, drone footage is a staple of this show. The clips usually show Ukrainians using the UAVs to devise ingenious ways of removing Russian occupiers or their equipment from the Ukrainian soil. Today, however, we'd like to go with something a little bit different. In the video ahead, you'll see Ukrainian drones hitting Russians, but from the point of view of the Russians. So, buckle up, this is going to be wild.
Назад! Граната, блядь! Блядь! Рюкзак, снимай, автомат снимай! Давай. Сдернул, автомат. Есть. Рюкзак снимай. Да. Сброшен. Давай, вставай! Помогай, чуть-чуть! Давай туда. Сажай туда. Ты газ держись, давай. Давай, залезай. Все.
Решите, что на азбуку за водой заехал.
Француз, уебываем отсюда.
Давай.
Валим сами?
Нет! Стой! Уезжаем!
Уезжаем?
Мы не дойдем.
Давай вперед, мне багажник. Все, валим.
Now, Ukrainian forces continue to wipe out bridges linking Russian forces south of the river Seym with the rest of the area. Now, in the next clip, you'll be able to see a trio of Ukrainian missiles, these are GMLRS by the way, launched from the HIMARS system, slam into a Russian mobile bridging unit over the damaged Seym River Bridge at Karish in Russia's Kursk region. And now let's have a look at a Ukrainian soldier and his best friend from the Medoid unit. And what a best friend it is! It is four-legged, but it is not a dog. Any guesses as to what it is? The video shows the pair work alongside each other in eastern Ukraine. Let's have a look at the four-legged reconnaissance robodog in action.
Загалом це собака-розвідник. Вона може працювати в лісі, в міській забудові. Окрім цього, вона може бути керованою як оператором, так і працювати за маршрутом. До речі, дуже така цікава історія. У неї дуже маленька силуетність, її майже не видно. Якщо її камуфлювати, от зараз ми працюємо в лісі, ми закамуфлювали її камуфляжною тканиною. Якщо працювати в міській забудові, на неї можна навісти все, що завгодно. При всьому вона буде активована, вона буде знімати все, що навколо, і оператор буде це бачити. По-перше, вона може доставляти певні вантажі пацанам, які заблоковані. Це може бути якісь набої, наприклад, або гранати, які закінчилися на позиції. Її можна відправити, і вона дойде. Загалом цей виріб – це як база, в яку можна інтегрувати все, що зараз актуально. Війна змінюється, і той, хто буде використовувати нові можливості, буде мати певну фору перед противником. Хороша собака. Гарна собака.
To close out today's episode, we'd like to show you a Russian UAZ-452 Bukhanka van, a buggy, and two Russian BMP-1s taken out of commission by Ukrainian FPV drones. The footage was captured near the Verkhne Kamyanka village in the Lugansk region. Enjoy. And with this, we conclude this episode of Military Mind. Please stay with us here on TVP World for more latest news and updates.